Good morning. So day 2 begins with a quick run to a couple of bike shops to look for spares. I need a chain and I need a couple of good road bike tubes, and that's because if you saw the log from yesterday, I got a very bad puncture. Snake bite pretty much ruined the tube that was in the tire. Plus I realized that the tubes that I had on as back, those were old tubes that I got repaired. I got the punctures fixed. Both the tubes were ruined at the walls. Maybe I only did that while trying to put them on the tire. So that's the reason why I need to quickly head out today and get my hands on some spares. That is really important. After that I'm going to come back, clean the bike, and we're going to sit on the trainer today because it's day 2 of the Firestorm challenge. BC officially begins from tomorrow, so I can ride the trainer today. So I got the spares I needed. I bought a tube, a road bike tube, 728C tube, and I replaced the chain on my mountain bike because that had been giving me a lot of trouble. It had been skipping. The chain had been skipping a lot while I was changing gears and even when I was putting the power down. So I got that changed and now it's better, it's much better. We're sorted now. We are on course for BCA 21 and Firefox. We are sorted. We've run into some delays getting everything ready, getting the bike set up on the trainer, and just cleaning up the mess, getting everything together took very long today. Also I had to post the previous video that got released yesterday. I had to post it in all the groups on Facebook and etc, so that took some time. So time management, that is something I need to look at. Time freaking management. Anyways, without wasting any more time, let's get on the trainer. Okay, so the setup on Zwift is quite simple. Fan, bike. I don't have access to the laptop because it's being used by my mother for some work. So I've just set it up on my other fun phone as it's going on. And I just keep looking at the numbers, just making sure I'm not like overcooking myself. That's on there. We got Joe Rogan here for company. Listen to his podcast to kill some time, distract my mind of things. I mean, I'm not sure if you can see, there's a lot of glare, but I don't really have a view out of my window. It's just freaking buildings. But yeah, setup's quite simple. Just trying to get by. And it's been what? I think it's been 12.2 kilometers and about 24 minutes since I started riding. And it's been okay. I do feel a little tired from yesterday. We're heading up really to the steepest part of Bhor, and we're getting smacked in the face by headwinds. Really? Today's gonna be easy. It's tomorrow I'm worried after. Today's gonna be easy. And I can get off the bike whenever I want, eat something, freshen up. I think I've done 10-12 kilometers in the morning. And I might have to do 10-12 at night if I want to go and drop the footage to Hansel. So I'm targeting somewhere between 120 to 150 kilometers depending on how much time I have. But minimum 120 and maximum 150 today. Okay, so quickly, there's one trick on Tempest Fugit Flats. That's a route on Zwift that you should do, is find a group you can ride with. I'm not sure if you guys can see clearly. Find a group you can ride with that bumps your average speed, because Zwift sort of works like real life. If I can find like a bunch of group of guys I can ride with, I literally gain like a couple of kilometers in average speed. So I'm planning to brake every 1 hour for like 5 to 10 minutes, not longer than that. And I'm going to get off the bike, have some Nimbu Paani that I asked my mother to make, which will definitely keep the cramps at bay, and also not staying off for a very long time will make sure that I don't cool off and the legs don't jam up again. So yeah, that's the plan. Anyways, time for a break. Let's stop pedaling. Let's see where we are. See you in a bit. Okay, I think I messed up. I fidgeted with the iPhone too much and the ride crashed, but that's okay. iPhone does save a fit format backup, which I mailed to myself. So it's not going to be, today's ride is not going to be 100, 200, 100, 150 kilometer ride. It's going to be broken up in a couple of rides. Starting a fresh ride now. There we go. Getting back to the ride. Small mess up, hiccup, but nothing to be worried about. I'm a little behind schedule. Might have to pull maybe an hour or something more. Just braked again. Guess who's here? Don't hide your face.
Don't, I'm feeling too dirty. Lona, please.
Okay, she doesn't want to be seen on camera. I'm just braking right now to change the setup a little bit so that I can pull the bed out and we can, at least she can get comfortable and we can put on some TV show and continue. I'll continue my ride obviously. I'm going to have another glass of Nimbu Paani now. Have maybe a banana. Oh yeah, and she's got a lot of food. You got a lot of food, na?
Yeah.
Like a bucket, literally a tumbler bucket. What do you call that vessel? Bhandi full of biryani. Chatty full of. Hansel says, okay. Hansel says chatty. That's what you say? Chatty?
Chatty.
For a bowl, like a big kadai. What do you call that? Biryani, whatever.
Chatty.
So we have a handi full of biryani. So that's motivation to ride. Oh yeah, and big shout out to Cock-a-Doodle-Doo, the suppliers of the biryani. So thank you so much. Okay, so we've had a small change of setup. Fans there, I'm here. She's on bed over there, enjoying a nice cup of tea. Nice cup of tea. Some Zwift. And we've got Sir Joe Rogan on the phone over here. Longer break than expected, but a good break. It was nice, positive break. So yeah, now getting back to the grind. We are at 32 kilometers of this ride, so 50 with the last one that where I experienced the crash on Zwift, so that makes it 80. Plus I've got say about 10-12 kilometers in the morning on the mountain bike when I went to fetch some spares. So that makes it around 90 kilometers. So I think we have 60 more to go for a target. So I think, yeah, doable. Let's see. One more thing, I know today's been a little boring, but hey, that's how days on the trainer are. They are kind of boring. You have to sort of find ways to make the ride, the workout on the trainer interesting. Even on the days where I'm not spending so much time on the trainer and I'm for a dedicated workout, it's a struggle. So today it's kind of hard on the head, not so much on the body because I have the luxury of taking breaks, taking my shoes off, even lying down. But then yeah, mentally it's kind of frustrating. So I've just wrapped up the last break for the day. I have about 28-30 kilometers more to go to complete today's target, which is 150 kilometers. So yeah, so I had a little bit of Nimbu Paani again. I realized on long efforts it's really important to make sure your salt content is on point, otherwise you'll just start cramping up, especially when you're doing it in the way I'm doing day after day after day. So that's something I really need to look out for. Also, like on every break I'm eating, like right now there was some chola that was made for dinner, so I just had like a small bowl of that. I'm sorry I didn't document it. Every time I go and take a break and I eat and drink Nimbu Paani and I come and sit on the bike and I go like, oh shit, I forgot to take pictures. But I will take it when I get off the bike. I still have a glass left. It's literally the best Nimbu Paani in the world. My mom hands down makes the best, most amazing Nimbu Paani in the world. I've had a lot of Nimbu Paani, no packed juice or no restaurant or juice bar lemonade tastes like the lemonade my mom makes, and I can challenge anybody on that. Anyways, back on the bike. Okay, we've reached the home stretch. I'm at about reaching 80 kilometers, about 10 kilometers left. I have to do 90 kilometers on this ride, considering I have 50 on the one that crashed, plus I have about 11 in the morning, so 90 is the target. Last 10k home stretch. Let's just get done with it. Boom! 90 kilometers. We're done for the day. 150 kilometers done. Today wasn't as hard as yesterday, considering I was on the trainer. But I don't expect that for the next 21 days because BCA 21 begins from tomorrow. And that means no indoor rides, only outdoor rides, and a lot of time on the road. God damn, I can't wait for some good biryani, baby. So we had a little bit of a scare. You remember the ride I told you crashed in the afternoon? Well, I was trying to download the fit file from Zwift and manually upload it to Strava, just to recover my data. And when I did, and I tried to upload it on Strava wasn't uploading the ride because it said that the fit file was corrupt. I was freaking out. I was losing almost close to 50 kilometers. But I figured a way out. Basically, what happens sometimes the time mapping of the ride gets screwed. So thank God I googled and I found a tool that fixes that, and I didn't lose the 53 kilometers that I thought I lost. Otherwise, I would have been really bummed out. But anyways, I didn't, so I guess I'm really happy. Plus, I get to end the night with some biryani and the best Nimbu Paani in the freaking world. Cheers, guys. Good night. Long day tomorrow again. And after that, and after that, and after that. But we'll hang in there somehow.